Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be washing monkey noodles before I post them off. So we've got this pink monkey noodle, we've got this purple monkey noodle, this orange one, yellow and green, and we've got this caterpillar one and two unicorn ones which are pink and purple. So we're going to start.
Because they do get dirty really fast.
Yeah, so
and they also collect some hair.
We're going to put 2 drops of this liquid.
And then we'll add some hot water. Check if it's nice.
So still, we need more hot water.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I don't think this should do. I'm gonna put the yellow monkey noodle in. And we're gonna soak this one in. It's so nice. Oh, it's already so squeaky clean and smooth. So we've got some paper towels here, so we're just gonna put the clean ones on this sheet. Move this to this side quickly. We're gonna put the yellow monkey noodle to dry. Next time we're gonna do this unicorn. This is a shaggy one. Super cool. I can smell that wash liquid. It's lime. So we're going to do this orange one next. Ooh, I can already just feel it getting nice and squeaky clean. And we're going to do this caterpillar one. Ugh, it's a hat. Ugh.
Yeah, we need to make sure we remove all the hair from it.
Yep. That is disgusting. I can already see some hairs going.
It's very easy to get like hair tangled around them.
I know, because they're like just like really easy to pick up dirt and stuff. I think this one is all clean. Let me just check. Oh, it's a bit of hair. Soak in for maybe 2 more seconds. Okay, that should be good. Let's dry that off. Next we're going to do this one.
Is that another unicorn?
Yeah, it's another unicorn right here.
It's just a purple.
Yeah. Let me just check if there's any hair. Oh, yep, there is. Oh, there's lots of disgusting small hairs. Ew, 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 ew. Ugh, that is just so gross. Let me just quickly just check. Oh, there's some hairs inside there. Ew. It's a bit cold now, this water, but it doesn't matter.
Can add a little bit warmer.
Yeah, maybe just one more. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now we're gonna do this pink one. The normal monkey noodles are much easier to wash than the shaggy ones, cause like there's like little shaggy bits, and then like the hair can get in there much easier. Oh, it feels so smooth. That one to dry. Then we've got this green one. I'm gonna do some ASMR. So cool. The water's really bubbly now. And then the last one we're gonna do is this purple one. Oh, is this satisfying? Comment down below if this is satisfying. Swishing around. Super satisfying. I just go over one more time with this purple one because it's like there's lots of hairs in that. Just one more time. so satisfying. Oh, I think I might have picked up some hairs. Ew. Okay. It's like I'm washing a baby. Okay, I think that's it. So we washed all these monkey noodles, which is really cool. Now we're gonna dry them off.
Spotless clean.
Yeah, I might just get an extra towel really quickly, just because they're a bit more wet. So, and that towel had a hole in it. Okay, set that one out and put the monkey noodles inside, and all dry them off. They're all squeaky clean. Oh, now they look extra clean. Oh, there's a bit of hair. Ugh. It's fine. I'll just get it out really quickly. Okay. Okay, they're all squeaky clean now. So yeah, really cool.
Make sure guys you watch another part of this video where we're gonna be packing them.
Super cool. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell. Bye, guys.